Rage! This is Burping 24. And I am awesome! Yes, I made sure the beast is dead this time. Yes, but there are many other beasts that live in my treehouse. Demons! I also had a visit from Slenderman too once. Yes, that's right. He's real. I punched him in the face, where he has no face. He has no face, but I punched him in the face. I mean, where his face should be. He didn't move, nothing. But I am immortal. I am resistant to his psychic powers. I cannot go insane, for I'm already insane. Okay, I'm just kidding. Back to the burps. Okay. Oh God. My jacket's ripped. No. I think I ripped my jacket. Well, now I'm pissed. During these burping videos, I must have hurt my jacket. Damn you, Einstein! Whoever made zippers is a son of a bitch. Whoever made zippers up. Yeah, they failed. Hold on. Let me fix my zipper. Okay, here we go. I think I'm good now. Okay. Yeah, I got it now. Must have happened when I was being swallowed by the beast. Within. Okay. Demon time. Bum, dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you saw that. Let me try again. Close your eyes if you don't like creepy stuff. I'm back! No, you're fucking kidding me. Why? What happened to my jacket? My jacket's falling apart, guys. Damn it. My favorite jacket. You did it! How dare you! No, stay. Fuck this jacket. Okay, I am seriously gonna rate this jacket tonight. Looks like I have to keep it like this now. Oh, not cool. No, just kidding. Oh God. Oh God. That would hurt. Not again! No! I killed you! No! No, my fans. They need me. Oh, no! No! Now you gotta help me. Wait. No. No. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Burping blast. That's right. Look at me. Oh. I'm on. No! Oh God. Oh no. Just one. You gotta help me. No! No! No, I'm too young to die. My fans. No! That hurt. That hurt. Ah. I think I broke my tailbone.
I'm lying.
I got out. Okay, I got out, guys. God. But I seriously think I broke my tailbone. I landed on something hard. Okay. There's only one way to find out if I actually broke it. No, I didn't break it. It hurts. Okay. I'm insane! I'm just kidding. There's my finger. There's that. Look at the finger. No. Come here. Hammer. Gotcha. That's the power of my burping. Oh God. No. I swear to God. I'm coming to get you. Okay. Okay, how many pull-ups can I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God, my tailbone hurts. And that hurts my hands too. It's not round, it's solid square. So the corners on it's hurting my hands. Otherwise I'd be able to do it. I'm upside down. And you're insane. No, wait. I'm insane. Bitch slap. It's good. Okay, that's one. How many videos are... Oh, 7 minutes in. How about a little tap dancing? No, I can't do it on this. No, I just can't. Okay. Okay. Fist bump. Guess what?